What's up guys, Visual here, but you can call me James, and in this video I'm going to be showing you my Duo graphics pack with Mixo. So guys, as you can currently see, I'm on my design store sellfy.com/visualjd, and as you can tell, I haven't made a design pack in a fairly long time. I made my free Fortnite pack, but I haven't made a general design pack that you can use for like client work and just general designs. The last one I did make was a desire pack, and I still use that to date, so I thought I would make an updated one. After around about a month's work, I proudly introduce you the Duo graphics pack. So this is me and Mixo that have collabed on a graphics pack, so it has like ×2 contents and it has so much good stuff in it. This is going to be on my design store once this video is live, so I will leave a link to it in the description down below. You can go ahead and literally just buy it, download it and start using it, or you can watch this video where I'm going to quickly showcase what's actually in the pack. So as you can see here, this is the main image. You can use this slideshow to go along. We have an image with it inside Photoshop, and then we have all of the groups inside the pack and also what includes in the download. So you can go ahead and have a look at that. Also read the description as well and take a look at it for yourself. It's on my Sellfy page, as I said before, sellfy.com/visualjd. If you don't know what Sellfy is, it's basically a website where you can actually buy and sell your own graphics packs. So I will leave a link to the sign up page as well in the description down below for you guys. I know some designers do complain about the pricing of graphics packs. Now this is fairly cheap. This is £3.99. It has so much contents in it, as you can see. It's a brand new graphics pack, and $3.99 if you buy the pack is going to earn you more money because you're going to be able to do client work with it, loads of other designs, and generally it's definitely worth the money. Also in this video I'm going to show you the insane stuff that is in this graphics pack that me and Mixo did create. So now what I'm going to do is head over to Photoshop and I'm going to show you the contents inside this graphics pack. So guys, once you do download it, you will get two files. You will get the PSD file and the README file. So just open up the Duo graphics pack PSD and you will get all of these files. As you can see here, if I open up Mixo's first folder where these stocks are, you can see there is an insane amount of stocks here. Literally, I'm not going to be able to go through all of these, so what I'm going to do is actually speed up the video as I go through all of the folders included in this pack, and you guys can see what there is to offer. So guys, that is everything included inside the Duo graphics pack. As I said, I'll leave a link to the Sellfy page in the description down below for you guys to purchase. I'm so excited to start using this now for client work because I've been using the Desire pack since that came out, and I need some new like stocks, I need some new CCs, new layer styles, so I'm now going to be using this pack for everything. If you do go ahead and purchase the pack, please tweet me your creations at VisualJDaniels. I'm really interested to see what you guys can make with it. Regardless, that is it for this video. If you did enjoy, make sure to leave a like, that would be much appreciated. This has been Visual or James, and I'm out. Peace.